Urban Automotive is at SEMA 2023 with two custom builds in the form of a Rolls-Royce Ghost and a Land Rover Range Rover. These two vehicles have sophisticated styling enhancements that only the UK-based brand can offer. The builds take on more styling-focused elements with extra carbon fiber, integrated lighting, and an optional performance exhaust from Milltek. Urban Automotive's Rolls-Royce Ghost takes a stealthy approach, akin to the recently revealed Black Badge Ghost Ekleipsis, with subtle details added to the car. These new parts include new carbon fiber bumpers, a two-piece front bumper overlay, integrated daytime running lights, an integrated rear diffuser, a rear lip spoiler, lower door sills, urban icon rear tailgate badge, and a choice of 22 or 24-inch alloy wheels sourced from premium wheel specialist Vossen. Similarly, the L460 generation Range Rover receives the same carbon fiber treatment along with an upper rear spoiler, replacement front door blades, rear diffuser with removable skid pan, three-piece bumper splitter, carbon fiber front bumper mouthpiece, replacement carbon fiber front bumper, and multiple 24-inch wheel options. Like its Rolls-Royce counterpart, it also can be had with a Milltek performance exhaust as an option, along with milled billet aluminum exhaust tail pieces. These projects were assembled by the highly respected Platinum Motorsport Group in Los Angeles and consist of handcrafted pieces from the UK that come as a mostly complete package. Urban Automotive enters the US market in partnership with Milltek, a seasoned aftermarket specialist and known for its lineup of performance exhausts for various sports cars. Milltek even has exhausts for older model vehicles, such as icons from the early 2000s, breathing new life and new noise into these vehicles. The partnership between the two brands will let the UK-based firm develop a bigger following in the US. It carries a wide selection of Land Rover products that will fit enthusiasts looking for more subtle modifications for their luxury SUVs. As for the Rolls-Royce Ghost, it is only the brand's second offering, predated by the company's Cullinan build that debuted in 2022. Since then, the brand has reworked the vehicle and has already attracted a range of high-profile fans, which includes American media personality Scott Disick. It's incredibly exciting to be launching our new products at SEMA. Unquestionably one of the key events of the year, SEMA showcases Urban's new Range Rover and Rolls-Royce Ghost styling packs to a huge audience, said Simon Dern, owner and head of design at Urban Automotive.